From Texas.
And can you bring Ahsan on too, so we can have get this party started? There's a fellow named Ahsan. Yes, there he is. Ahsan, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
I'm doing great. So UJ made my day today.
Because he gave you a visa?
Yes.
Nice. Very nice. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Sylhet, Bangladesh.
Very cool. Very cool. I have quite a few friends in New York that are from Sylhet.
Oh, sounds great.
Yeah. I never tell them they're my friends though. Too much validation. You gotta keep your friends at a safe distance. You know.
Yeah. COVID-19 situation.
Oh yeah. Okay. I triggered you a little bit. Okay. So well, first of all, I want to appreciate the fact that it's a crazy hour. You just told me, Aisha, that it's what 4:40 a.m. now in India.
Yeah, it's 4:40 a.m. Yes.
And what
yes,
time is it in Sylhet, Bangladesh?
It's 5:10.
Lazy. Okay, so that yours is easier. It's no big deal.
Yeah, I just prayed Fajr and emailed Ustadh Jawad.
How Islamic.
Everyone.
Okay, so that's great. Alhamdulillah, very good. This is Al-Bab al-Thalith. Can you say that for me?
الباب
الباب الثالث.
So Al-Bab al-Awwal, Al-Bab al-Thani, Al-Bab al-Thalith. Right? The first chapter, second chapter, and now third chapter. At the Institute, Fil Ma'had. That is a Nokia from 1999. Do you have the snake game on there, like the caterpillar game? Gosh.
Yes, I do play that game.
And you have Tetris on there? Tetris?
No, only the snake one.
Wow. Okay. Anyway, so I'll send you a beep later. Anyway, Fil Ma'had at the Institute. Ahsan?
No.
Fine, I'll ask somebody else.
هو
no,
قريب
okay.
جدا.
Yeah, okay. هو
هو قريب جدا.
جدا جدا.
Awesome, sir.
वो जद्दा के पास है. No, جدا جدا. Say جدا. Say
هو
جدا.
قريب جدا.
Yes, this is بسيار قريب. Now you gotta say لا شكر على واجب. Every time I say شكرا, you say لا شكر على واجب. Okay?
شكر على واجب.
شكرا لك يا مريم.
لا شكر على واجب.
شكرا لك يا عائشة.
لا شكر على واجب.
شكرا لك يا أحسن.
لا شكر على واجب.
Well done. أحمد شكرا لك.
لا شكر على واجب.